Hi guys, stay tuned as I walk you through how to do these magic tricks just with your smartphone. Let's do it. Mount your camera on a tripod using landscape mode. Walk into the scene. Make a stand for some seconds or few minutes like you see me do. Walk out and walk in again. Walk in for the second time. This time with your spraying can. Then you stand just within yourself. Figure out where you were standing the first time. Then use the spraying can and make as if you are spraying from the head down to the ground. Then make a stand for some few seconds or minutes again. Then you walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will suggest it to other viewers out there. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Let's begin now. As you are watching the tutorial, if there is anything you don't understand, please hit the comment section. Thank you. CapCut, new project. Import the video you just recorded. Yes, then at this point you go front. This place where you just walk in, click on the video and make a split. Click on this first part and delete it. We don't need it again. You keep going front again. Keep going front. This place where you're about going out, click on the video, make a split. Then keep going front again. Keep going front. This place you walk in, click on the video, make a split. Then you delete the center part. We don't need it again. Then at this point, you go and look for overlay. Click on the video and look for overlay. Look for overlay. Look for overlay. Click overlay. That is overlay there. Click on the video and adjust it to cover the first layer. Then at this point, you come back, click on the first layer and go and look for freeze. Look for freeze. Look for freeze. Then you click on freeze. Click on freeze. Then click this one. Hold it and adjust it. Then you come back. You come back. Then look for this place now where your hand is about coming down. This place. This place. Click on the video and make a split there. Then go and look for mask. Look for mask. Look for mask, guys. Look at mask here. Click on mask. Click on rectangle. Then you come and click in invert. Click on invert. Click on invert. Then adjust this rectangle. Adjust it up. Adjust it up completely. Make it to cover that first person. Yes. Then at this point, adjust it well. Then you go and look for keyframe. Click on keyframe. Then adjust the video. As you adjust the video now, as your hand is coming up, use your hand to drag the rectangle down. Please don't let it pass your hand. Always keep it at the point of your hands. As your hands is going down, bring it at the point of your hand. Then adjust it again. Then adjust the rectangle. Click on the arrow up and adjust the rectangle to your hand and do it well. Then you move again. You move again. Move this time. As you move, use your hand again. Adjust the rectangle through the arrow up. Adjust it to your hand. Then you move again. You move again. You do the same thing. You do the same thing. Yes, yes, you can see. Now it's finished. Then you now cover it completely. Do it completely. Cover the whole thing completely. Yes, that is it. Leave it. Now go back. Let us see what we've got. Play the video. Let's see what we've got. Let's play the video and see what we've got. Yes, I think this is good. Click there and remove the line. Let's play it and see what we've got. Play it now. Let's see what we've got. Yes, I think this is good. This is good. This is good. Yes, this is good. So at this point, we want to be making a split. So come here, touch the video, make a split. Touch the down one, make a split. Delete this one, touch the up one and delete it. Delete this one as well. So at this point, I think our video is ready. Yes, this is good. So the next thing we shall be doing now is to export our video. So you click on export and export the video to your gallery. Yes, allow it to export finish. Now you can share it to your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other viewers out there. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates and more tutorials. Stay safe.